Ian Maina mwanake wa ukuru wa miaka 25 ni umwe wa andu ethi aria mekinyirie muciini munene wa Nairobi kururungana kiririkano-ini kia andu 60 aria makwiriire mururungano-ini wa mwaka mubituku wa kuregana na watho wa kigina wa 2024. Bisa ici iria ironania Maina ari na aruna ake mururungano-ini akuite bendera barabara-ini ya Kimathi na thimu guoko akirekodi. Aracoka kuoneka ringi barabara-ini ya Kenyatta rita riri aikarite thi na aba nibo arathiirwo ni maubitha a borithi kuguru maita meri.
I've been shot. Jesus Christ.
Since Wednesday till today, my bullets, I still have 2 bullets in my right leg, and all they're doing, I've not taken nothing since Wednesday. All they're doing is pumping sugars in my body. It's very terrible, very uncomfortable.
Maina narurungania ngeigana rimwe aria makinyirio thibitari-ini nene ya Kenyatta mugite gikoretwo ta kiroto kwamukira urigiti amuruo rwa rithathi igiri kuguru mwiri-ini no irarurumuka.
I was shot. I was actually seated and I happened to be recording everything. I was shot half a meter from Okia Omtata. Mr. President, I still maintain I will take another bullet for Okia because we kind of formed a human shield around him. He was the target. They were aiming at him. They wanted to eliminate him. They really wanted his head, but we kind of formed a human shield and we took the bullets. I still have them in my leg and I really need immediate medical assistance.
Bisa-ini ingi turona mururungani ungi ari na ruo njara thutha wa kuburu rithathi ciaraba aya eri ari o gatagati-ini ka andu 513 aria marabonia nguraro. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Jitago Masi, Wadia wa Muriithi.